Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing my in-depth thoughts on the Google Pixel 8 Pro. This review will cover both the positive aspects that impressed me and the areas where the device fell short of expectations. Subscribe, like, comment, and press the bell icon. The standout feature for me has to be the cameras at the back. While I won't delve into megapixels, the Pixel 8 Pro's camera is remarkably capable. The optical zoom, especially at 5 times, impressed me with its insane level of detail. The overall camera experience, coupled with Google's software magic, elevates the photography game. Surprisingly, the design won me over. Despite initial reservations about the common design across Pixel phones, the specific color and matte materials of the back panel on my unit were fantastic. Unlike the previous model, the durability of the phone, even without a case, stood out, and the official case provided a premium feel. The battery life on the Pixel 8 Pro exceeded my expectations. During my usage in Korea, where I heavily relied on navigation, photography, and social media, the device held up impressively. By the end of the day, I still had 30 to 40% battery remaining. While I didn't check screen on time, the overall endurance was commendable. Moving on to software, the Pixel 8 Pro delivers a smooth, fast, and responsive experience with its stock Android. Navigating through the phone felt next level compared to other Android smartphones I've used. Google's optimization truly shines here. Now let's discuss the aspects that didn't work as well. Firstly, the physical buttons on the right side felt less tactile and somewhat cheap. The placement of the lock button on top of the volume rocker took some getting used to, deviating from the usual layout found in other phones. The face unlock and in-display fingerprint scanner had their share of issues. There were frequent misses with the fingerprint scanner, and registering my face twice didn't entirely solve the face unlock inconsistency. This aspect needs improvement for a more seamless experience. In terms of the display, the brightness levels were not as impressive as I expected. While using the phone outdoors in Korea, the display's brightness sometimes fell short, making it challenging to view in certain lighting conditions. The stereo speakers on the Pixel 8 Pro weren't as loud as expected. Although I don't frequently use phone speakers for music, I noticed a lack of volume, particularly when playing social media content. This could be a minor concern for those who rely on phone speakers. Finally, the price. The Pixel 8 Pro is on the expensive side, which may be influenced by currency rates. In my location, Malaysia, the cost is notably high. Additionally, uncertainty about 5G compatibility with all networks adds to the considerations for potential buyers. Wrapping up my experience with the Pixel 8 Pro, I can confidently say that it's a phone I love and might keep using. Despite the areas for improvement, the positive aspects, especially the new colorway, make it a compelling choice. If someone asks whether my overall feeling is positive or negative, it's undoubtedly on the positive side. Thank you all for watching today's video till the end. Share your thoughts on the Pixel 8 Pro in the comments, and if you have any tips to enhance the user experience, please share them. I'm always eager to learn from you. Until next time, see you in the next one. Goodbye.